We ask a lot of our police officers. We expect them to be, medics, lawyers, counselors. We ask a lot.
My family moved here when I was in 3rd grade. My mom had gotten a job with the Bainbridge Fire Department. Was here through high school, where I graduated in 2018. I wanted to join the military, so I enlisted into the Marine Corps my senior year of high school. I didn't know exactly that I was always going to be law enforcement, but I knew public service was where I was going to end up. My favorite part is I get to work and serve the people that I grew up with. It's one of our goals here with Bainbridge PD is to have that community connection.
Ooh, you got one more. Have you talked to Officer Burnham yet with K9 Whitney? He hasn't.
We get calls, kids being too loud or something at a park, and we go talk to them. And obviously, they see the cops, so they're going to go and hide. And I know where they're going to hide because that's where I used to hide.
Always just super jovial and makes you laugh when you're having a hard day.
Never hear him complain, never hear him groan about the amount of work he's got.
We have to make a lot of choices every day.
CENTCOM Poly 14 stopping.
You weigh you being a human being of understanding and kind of feeling for this person, and I have a legal obligation and job to do.
He had lost his wallet. So last night he was out at the pier. So he's heading down there to go see if his wallet is there. And he's pretty flustered. So talk to him. He understands that he shouldn't be speeding. But I can understand the situation he's in. So I told him he's just getting a warning for today.
Brenton is exactly who you would want to show up when you call for help.
Very lucky to receive Officer of the Year. It was a statewide award through the American Legion.
April of last year, Brent was called to a residence. There was a distraught woman who had gone to the home of her former partner, had entered the home and was threatening to do harm to herself or others and claimed to be armed.
We're able to get the ex-husband out, but their daughter is still trapped inside. There's glass all over the floor. So she's trapped, she can't walk out without walking through hundreds of shards of glass. Was able to grab the daughter and extract her out of the house, create space to de-escalate the situation and try to talk to this person and get her to the hospital where she was treated. All goal is you to feel safe, you to understand why somebody got stopped or whatnot, and to leave with that of this is a better experience than I ever expected law enforcement to be.